Hi, it's Brooke with WTI. If you want to make cleaning your teeth easier with orthodontics, definitely have this.
This by Fremouth is insanely easy to use. I am in love with these orthodontic flossers for braces. I love the thin control arm. It slides between the teeth and the braces so easy, and it makes it even when I'm traveling, I can floss my teeth. I appreciate the quality of this. It's not flimsy. There's a little control grip as well. There's even a end that's toothpick, so it has that hook end. There's this travel case. And there's 5 packs. It comes with 100 in each pack, which is very generous. I find that this helps me to keep my teeth so clean, and I appreciate that the floss itself does not stretch. It is super strong and works so great. I also like this toothpick tail hook handle. It comes in handy as well. So if you want to keep your ortho clean, get this.
I love it, but that's just my point of view.